Hello everyone, my name is Bosse and I'm nervous. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this channel is going to be about us learning stuff together. Soap making, lip gloss and other stuff I don't know yet. I guess as we carry on, we'll figure out what we'll be doing, or you guys will suggest stuff that we'll learn together. First of all, before you make soap, you have to ensure that your area is safe. Safety. You have to ensure there are no kids running around and no animals running around as well. In addition, proper clothing. You have to make sure you're putting on long sleeve, trouser, proper shoes, your apron, and your goggles so that you don't splash. So you don't splash the caustic soda in your eyes. So you have to ensure you have this. Now, when making soap, there are things you need. You need your caustic soda. Without this, no soap. And you need your oils, and a different kind of oils you use to make soap. But today we'll be using olive oil, which is very good, very moisturizing, coconut oil, and castor oil. So the first thing we're going to do is put on our gloves. I hope everyone is doing great and coming out of this madness slowly and gently. We're all gonna be fine. Now I have my gloves on. I have some things I've written here, my measurements. And as we go on, I'm going to talk to you about measurement, but not today. So, we're going to be needing 148 grams of water, which I've measured already. Mind you, you need a scale. You have to measure everything, just like baking and you follow the recipe. So this is 148 grams of water, and we'll be needing 98 grams of lye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt my phone, because I'm using my phone to record, so you see what I'm doing. Here we go. So when using your lye, ensure you are very, very careful. One drop of crystal can kill because it's very dangerous. So you make sure you pour gently and make sure that there is no spillage. And after you finish, clean your area gently. Next thing I'm going to do is pour my lye into water. Now, I'm going to pour it gently and stir. And while pouring it gently and stir, make sure you don't inhale the fumes. So now, I'm ready to pour my lye into my water. And I'm going to pour it gently and stir. Now for the oil, we'll be needing coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil. We'll be needing 125 grams of coconut oil, which I've already measured earlier on. So I did it before I started filming because it was hard and I wanted it to melt. So the next thing we're going to be needing will be olive oil, which will be 325 grams. So I ensure everything is measured. and follow the measurement. It's just like baking. So I'll be needing 325 grams of olive oil. Yeah. So make sure you pour gently so that there are no bubbles. So that is 325 grams of olive oil. We'll be needing 50 grams of castor oil. Castor oil is very good for its amazing lather. So we'll be needing 50 grams of this. That's 50. Yeah. So now that my lye water is cooling down, I'm going to ensure that they are both of the same temperature before I pour the lye into the water, into the oils. So now that my lye have cooled down, I've checked the temperature. They are both between 120. They are both between 120 degree Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's it. And I've checked that one as well. So what I'm going to do is pour the lye into the oil, and I'm going to pour it gently. So now this is what it looks like. I'm so pleased. I bought this gorilla pod from Amazon 2 days ago. So now the next thing I'm going to do is use my stick blender to blend I'll bring this close to see what it looks like. And then you stir once in a while, just in case there are bubbles, so you can get rid of it. And then I'll get my spatula and scrape. The next one I'm going to do is pour our soap into a mix. Mind you, if you're trying this just for the hell of it, I suggest you don't go out buying mold. You can just use empty carton milk or Pringles can, and then just use it to make the soap. Oh, I just remembered, I need a hard surface for this, because as soon as you pour the soap in, if you lift it, it gets wobbly and then it could mess everything up. So I'm just going to pop into the garage and get a surface. So here's my surface that I'm putting this on. It's just an empty box that I just ripped off. And then we'll pour. I'm just stirring it. So here we go. I'm really pleased with myself that I did this video. I've been trying to make YouTube video for ages now, but I just judged myself thinking, oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what people are going to say. Apparently I'm nervous right now, but damn, I'm proud of myself. I'm really pleased I just went on and was like, what the hell? If the video is not good enough, there's always another video to improve with. So here we go. what happens is, after pouring your soap into the mold, you let it sit for about 24 hours, and then you bring it out of the mold, and then we'll see what happens. So, still have more. Bang it so that the soap is properly leveled. And here we are. I think that's the last one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, as I'll be making more videos and we'll be learning new stuff together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna put back my gloves on so I don't touch this stuff here. I don't know, I'm not very good with gloves. Like, it feels funny, although you must put on your gloves. And I always put on my gloves. I just remove it because I was just gonna hold this and it felt kind of like slippery in my hands. So that has been our simple, basic, non-scented soap. Hey, this is going to be sitting in the garage for 24 hours. Yes, so what I'm going to do tomorrow morning, I'm bringing it out from the garage, and then we're going to unmold and see what it looks like. So, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, it's the next day and I'm so excited about the soap. My first soap on YouTube channel. So, I'm going to tilt this camera so you see what it looks like. I'm really excited. I already brought it out from the mold, and you can see the pattern I did on top with the skewer. It's not hard, but it is hard. So what's going to happen is I'm going to let it sit for 4 weeks before I use it. I'm not sure I can use all, but I will as well give it to some of my friends so they can tell me what they think about the soap. So thank you for sticking around with me making this soap. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.